This is a ship horn I made this summer. The black power chamber is a discarded pump casing. I cleaned it up a little bit and painted it. It looks just fine. And a 1¼ inch PVC pipe connects it to the Cheerleader megahorn, which is a 29-inch megahorn. The diaphragm is a Lexan or polycarbonate. You can see the small caddy adjacent to the horn, which has a solenoid valve, a battery, and the blue wire is the antenna for the remote relay. I'm going to back off a little bit and we'll see how she sounds. I like the sound. That sounds good. I'll take it. Wow, I'm pleased with the sound. That horn is, job's done. Take that to the boat next fall.